Hi, it's Gail. I wanted to show you how to download these free iPad wallpapers so that you can install them on your students' iPads. So the first thing you need to do is go to specialedinstruction.com. That's SPED instruction.com. And you can do that on any browser. So I'm just going to type in SPED instruction.com. So on this website, you tap on AAC support, and then you'll see our AAC user group information. And I'm going to tap on the down arrow next to the free stuff you might like. And here you'll see that there are two spots where you can click on the link that says free stuff page. So I'm going to tap on this first free stuff page. Either one works. That link will take us to this page. So here is where you download the wallpaper. Again, there's 4 of them, and then to download, you just tap and hold, and then this window pops up and you click on or tap on Save in Photos. And I recommend, why not do it to all of them for now, just so that you have them all. And they're stored in your photos. So now I'm going to open up my photos. So you just tap on one to make it kind of bigger. And once you have the one that you want to upload as the wallpaper, then I'm tapping on this sharrow, or that it's a square with an arrow that points up. I call that a sharrow. You tap on that, and that allows another window to pop up, and then I'm going to scroll up from where it says copy photo. I scroll up and I'm looking for use as wallpaper. So I tap that. And now I'm in this section where all I have to do, I'm going to just make sure that the picture is the size that I want. All I did was kind of pinch that to make it pop in like there. And then I tap on the blue add button in the upper right corner. And it gives me an option to set as wallpaper pair, which is what we want to do. Because the first section on the left, that is what your lock screen would look like. And then the one on the right side, that's what it would look like when you're just using the iPad normally. So I'm going to tap there. I'm still in my photos, but once I get out of my photos, then you can see that this is the background is, and it's called wallpaper, is now one of the guiding principles for AT implementation. So in case you need to undo this and have a blank background again, you would tap on your settings, and then along this left side, scroll down to where it has wallpaper, and then I would tap on add new wallpaper, and then it has a bunch of free wallpapers. I'm just going to tap on the blue one and click on that blue add in the upper right corner, and now set as wallpaper pair. So just in case you have to revert back to a solid color. Make sure you email me if you have any questions.